Fuck
Got him.
yes! Woohoo!
Good job, guys. Took a little while, but
GG.
Well
we did it the first try. Straight up.
Probably had all 334s.
Oh yeah, you're 33, aren't you, Big C?
Yeah.
you back in Airlock,
Oh.
Guardian.
Cool. Yeah, and I was on my Titan, and there were 2 Titans. Although this time we were both Warlocks doing self-res, so...
Yeah, sorry man. If I would have played last week, I would have had all the fucking shit to beat 34.
You're good. That's why we wrapped you. You're
Treasure
good enough, it don't matter.
awaits in Crystal Barrow.
Come on, treasure key.
Etheric Light, yes! And I'm rank 1,
Dude.
son.
I got plenty of extra etheric light, Big C.
Yeah, I ain't got none. This is my
Trade
first
it.
one.
I'll trade some for a galley.
I'll give you a Galahorn. I got her courtesy. What the hell is that?
Shotgun.
Uh, I'm about to use it on my boots right now. What? Then I'll be 34. Jesus, I suck, son. My motherfucking skills are horrible. Oh, man. Good job, guys.
That was awesome. So Ty was at the bounty guy, and I pushed him to the edge, and when he got off the bounty guy, yeah, as soon as he got out of the menu, he walked forward and fell off the edge. It was funny.
Take us to the reef.
Oh, yes, sir.
I got an.
Are we doing
I now have
32
three-
still? Or since they're done, are we doing 34 right away?
I am 34 now. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, it's fine. I mean, I don't care.
I
I just
got a
want to know,
weapon for
because
now,
if
too.
we're doing 34, I gotta switch characters. Or I want to switch characters. I'll be a Titan.
I'm down to do a
Or a
35
Warlock.
or a damn Nightfall.
I don't know how
I
to
don't
beat
know.
the 35.
Yeah, neither
There's
do I.
Heartburn this week.
Does anyone want to do a Vault of Glass hard first, so we can take a break and do something fun before we try and do something
Yes.
terrible and bang our heads against the wall?
Yes. I'm good to go. Let's go. Let's do it.
If we're doing Vault of Glass, I'm bringing a different character.
Many fights await
I'm just gonna stay on my Warlock, since I'll plan on trying to run it more times this week.
After this, does anybody need a 32 for weapons or whatever?
Of course.
Dude, this fucking
I'll be there.
fusion rifle is pretty wicked.
So we don't even gain experience here in this stuff, do we? Like during raids?
Nope.
Nope. This is where you use your new, awesome, all the way leveled up weapons and see how good they are. Versus really under-leveled enemies.
Revolters in orbit, starting the group. I really wish I had my feedback fences up. Oh well. Well, let me know if there are any.
Damn, he's done. Phoba's got 3 people.
You ready to join on Rev, Ty? Okay. Gotcha.
And don't worry about
Yeah, I see. Thanks, man. Thanks for not leaving me behind.
Oh, guys. Okay, another funny story about pretty much first week of the House of Wolves. Guess which gun that I never actually got before and refused to purchase from Zerg. Like forever, like just absolutely refused to purchase. Guess which gun I got? Yes, Suros Regime 2. And it is the only exotic that I have in any character inventory. That is.
Welcome to the
Nice.
Wings. Please select mission. Goodbye, Guardian.
So now I can officially say that I've gotten every.
Wait. Have you gotten the 4th Horseman?
Unable to confirm resolution of bounty.
You suck. I didn't get a single exotic from this week's Nightfalls. I got freaking stupid Etheric Light. I hate it.
I would have been happy with Etheric Light.
I got it. I got enough after Trials Monday night, so.
Alright, how many more people do we have joining? There's 5 in this chat. Da Vinci, you're joining? Big C?
I'm gonna get some Wheatmans, so BRB.
Yeah, just a quick question. How long are you guys willing to wait? Because if I go do a couple of bounties really quick, I actually might have this.
Well, I mean,
Doesn't.
you're only gonna be doing this for the Templar drop and on, right?
Well, I mean,
No,
yeah.
So I mean, we can do everything up to Templar probably with 4.
Is Volta Glass giving out any new gear right now? Like the Etheric Light or anything?
Yeah, the new
But,
chest can drop.
Yeah, Ty, you can go do that
exotic.
stuff right now and just join us as soon as you finish. Like, just,
Mhm.
you know, you can try and hurry.
Well, you know what? Actually, I can just switch around stuff. Like for me, healing.
Alright, I'm gonna.
That is really like a necessity in this thing. So.
Yeah, so I'll be right back.
I was thinking of trying to do a
Yeah, I'm just
Nightfall.
wondering if I should invite anyone else who's online into the chat. Because we got... Yeah.
Give me a second.
I almost want a cigarette.
Alright, give me a quick second. I'll be right back. I'm leaving the party for a second. I'll be back. Yo. Are you guys trying? I need to do Nightfall. I just got my first done. My first 34 Prison Elders.
Oh, nice.
I found
What'd you roll it with?
Revolter and Da Vinci Code, or Da Vinci X. Finally got my first etheric light! Son of a bitch. Yeah, exactly. Now I'm trying to do a nightfall, but they want to jump off in a hard mode Vault of Glass really quick. Before they try 35 on the Prison Elders.
Yeah, we're gonna knock out 2 more 34s real quick to try to get chances of that Cypher to drop.
Nice. What cipher are you talking about?
The one that Rev got to the fucking
Oh,
exotic weapon.
he got it on his first pull when I joined him in the 32.
Don't want to talk about it.
Damn it, man.
I should have told him.
I got fucked up.
Dude, those
I
line
got to
rifles
have
were
it.
kicking my ass.
The only
too.
thing that I was able to do was super him, and then I still died.
Oh my god. So many broken things.
Does anybody in here need a nightfall?
We kind of did all those.
Nice.
Yeah, we did ours this morning. I know, what time is it? I know Rabbit's
There was
hungry
like
for
a
his as
whole
soon as he
like
gets off
nightfall
work.
train system set up.
Alright.
Oh my, it was ridiculous.
Nice.
It was beautiful, and I was proud to be part of it. Because I was the
Well,
one getting carried through.
Yeah. Clayton just fucking, he was just like, yep, let's do this. I was like, alright, let's do it.
Nice. Alright, well, then I'm gonna go run this Vault of Glass. Tell Rabbit when he comes on that I'm ready to do nightfalls. I'll wait
Oh,
for him.
absolutely. Yeah, for sure.
I'll run all 3 with him. And then,
Oh, my Vanguard marks are full up.
where's
Message.
that? Yeah, I did get a message. Stupid phone goes off too. Shit's weak. Dude wants me to join him for some Prison Elders. I haven't played with this guy in a long time. I don't remember if he's any good or not. So, how was the damn Osiris, man? I'm ready.
It was a lot of fun. It was it wasn't easy. It was certainly, you know.
There's a lot of
It was-
times where I would rather be having a heart attack. 'Cause
Wait.
my heart was a lot worse than that.
Wait, I was saying, how's Prison Elders? You guys knocked that shit out, or not Prison? Trials of Osiris.
That's what we're talking about. Yeah. There
There's a lot of times where a heart attack
there was-
would have been more healthy for me.
Nice. I'm I'm ready to knock it out this weekend and get fucking 9 wins without losing. I want to get on this floating the boat team and check out this other
Yeah,
shit.
dude. Get that lighthouse trip in.
What is there at the lighthouse? Nothing, or just you just stare at the Oblivion?
Well, you can kind of do that for a while. That's pretty fun to do. But I guess there's that chest where you can get the like the
Elemental primaries of the Trials gear.
Oh, okay. Dude, I seen the fucking gauntlets that Rev got for his Titan, dude. Those gauntlets were sick.
Yeah, the new exotic ones.
Yeah.
That motherfucker's had some awesome RNG.
I was there with him.
Oh, Carson, I hate you.
They were sick.
I've been like, put them back.
You don't deserve these. Put them back.
Put them back. You put that
Yeah,
shit
let's
back
see
in the
what he's
chest.
My ninja. Which level of Prison Elders does this guy want to do?
My ninja.